Hey, today we'll semi-automate ours, like upload on a YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Same post on different social media apps with also video and its thumbnail. Let's move on. Here is the value for YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and status. They will be proceed. Then it will proceed this row. Otherwise, this will be skipped. And here for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for YouTube. For this time, it will upload on all these social media platforms. If I will switch false, then it will be skipped LinkedIn. Let's move on. You can see it's writing. Now it move on a LinkedIn. Here upload media and then a thumbnail and press on add and then type text. Now same thing on a Facebook. We'll upload here media and type here hashtag and description of video. Now you can post your social media by just click on single button. Now it will be also switch your status of your row into done.